Why does your scanner show the P2023 engine code? What does it mean? P2023 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake manifold runner, hose, sensor, or switch circ interm bank 2. The P2023 engine code indicates that the engine control module, ECM or PCM, is receiving an irregular signal from the intake manifold runner position sensor on bank 2. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged wiring or connections, carbon or soot buildup, faulty IMRC solenoid or actuator, vacuum leakage, PCM or software glitch. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Chevrolet, and Lexus. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.